got money. I need to wait. Listen, wait. I swear to God, I got my money. Wait. Bring that down. Hold on. Listen, no. But you see, I paid her.
Sleep. Oh my God, where did I keep this phone? Shh. I thought I left it here. Oh, there you are. Honey, where are you? Please pick your call.
Oh shit. I missed her call. I didn't know. Let me just call her back. Hi, babe.
Honey, it's past 12 noon. Where have you been?
I'm so sorry. I missed your calls. I didn't know. No, it was in my pocket. I didn't know it was ringing. How are you? Babe, I'll be back home soon, okay? I want to quickly go to the embassy and drop off your file.
Honey, please, when coming, help get the baby's food. His food is finished. He's been crying all day. I just managed to rock him to sleep. Please, we need it.
Yeah, that's okay. Is there something else you'd like me to get?
Aw, except you want to get me something nice to appreciate me for taking care of your cute baby.
Get off my phone.
I love you. Oh. Do not cry, Daddy is coming. Do not cry, sleep, sleep, sleep. Daddy is coming. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Sleep, 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 sleep. Ba, shake. Have you any room? Yes, sir. 3 bags food. Honey, where are you? How long will I continue? What if he wakes up again and starts to cry? Oh God, my phone.
Who there here? Who there here?
Your what around nonsense?
Madam, no be time for big grammar be this. As you see me so I come out for where they won't burn your husband. They won't burn your husband, same thief.
Are you high on cheap drugs? What is wrong with you? Who are you?
Madam, you need follow me. You need follow me now.
Come with you to where exactly? You they smoke something? Who should you from out?
Madam, your husband then catch him for wearing one thief. So those boys now then they vex. They won't burn him.
Still, are you mad?
Oh God.
Are you looking at this house? My husband steal what exactly? How can a man who has affluence the base to stealing? Are you stupid?
Madam,
Better get out of this place.
Madam, I tell you the truth, no be time for big grammar be this. If you want to see your husband alive, I go advise you now, make you call police. Make you call police if you want to see your husband alive, because those boys, why they look their face, why come on live so, no be play then they play, then go burn him if you no call police, or come carry police, come go that place now, then go kill him.
Hold on, don't move.
Madam!
Hello? Yeah, officer. There's some angry mobs at
Ekuma
Junction. They're trying to lynch my husband. Please, can you just come over? I'm not there yet. Please, just come over. Thank you. I've called the police.
Madam, may we dey go. If you want to see your husband alive, may we dey go now.
Hold on.
Madam!
Let's go.
Madam, leave the door, they come.
Wait. Bring that down. Wait. Hold on. Listen. No. But you. See, I played that. So make I play this game now. Win this game. So maybe they cry. Nobody there for the house. No, this cry is too much. Madam Alice! Neighbor! Only dominant day for them to cry. Neighbor! Never! Shh. Nobody in this house. Never! Shh. Never! Where they do now? Never!
Oh, shit. I totally forgot to buy the milk. The baby milk. Okay, I'll just stroll down the road and see if I can get it.
Hi dear. Hi, how are you? Alright? You don't look so bright. Everything okay?
Even if I tell you, what can you do? What do you want?
I want the baby milk for my child. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Please hurry up. I actually want two. Yes, two.
Two.
Two, yes. How much is it?
12,000.
12,000
Yes.
for
For the two.
or each of them is 6,000.
You know. I
Oh.
not.
I thought it was cheaper than that though.
It's 12,000. One is 6,000. Others are selling 7,000. I just said 6,000.
Oh, that's okay. Let me just... It should be more than that. There you go.
More?
Yes.
Oh, hold on.
You can count. All right, thank you.
Oga, I was thinking,
Huh?
what did you just say? Thank you. Give me my money. Pay me for the milk. Do I look like Santa Claus?
I just gave you the money.
Who gave me money? How? Are you okay? Are you drunk? Pay me my money.
Gladys, are you all right? What's wrong with
No,
you?
I should be asking you if you're all right. Ed! Frank!
I just gave you money.
Who? On your city! Help!
Can you stop that? What's wrong with that? I just gave you money.
Stop what? Okay, pay me my money.
I just gave you.
What happened?
Frank, thank God you're here. Look at this man. He's having two of my milk and has refused to pay me. He didn't give me any
This girl
money.
is crazy.
Ah,
No, hold on.
man.
Listen, I just paid her.
You a thief.
You think? Yes, that's
You
who you are.
Gladys, are you all right?
No,
Okay, guys, Muna come.
I just gave her money. No, hold on, wait. I just gave her money. No, wait.
Okay, she don't wanna shout to
Why are you embarrassing me?
I'm not embarrassing you.
Guys, Muna come.
She's embarrassing me.
You thief.
Hold on, wait.
Give me my milk.
I just gave her money. How?
Madam, please be fast so that we can catch up with others, please.
I just want to get mine.
What is it?
My son.
Are you sure about this?
Officer, I left my son here. My son was lying right here. Officer.
So you mean
Officer.
you left him all alone without knowing?
I was told that they were about to lynch my husband and I just ran out. I wasn't waiting. My son.
Madam, wait for me. Where are you going to? Madam!
So terrified. And where are you going with your and your belongings?
Should anyone come looking for me, tell the person you've not seen me for days. Baba, if you like, open down your mouth that is as wide as what I don't know and expose your daughter on your own at owner's risk.
Yeah. And you go say no, okay? Yeah? Why are you running away? What have you committed? Come back here. Ha! Hey! Eji kwambiera ubu. Ta!
You must come with us to the station.
Madam, what is going on? What's happening?
You'll get to know when you get to the station.
Station? No, officer, I'm not going anywhere. Madam, what did I do now? What is going on?
Do you want to move or you want us to do it the violent way?
No, now. At least you're officers of the law now. You should tell me what my crime is. How could you arrest me like that?
Mr. Man, like I say, when you get to the station, they will explain everything to you. Move before I use force on you.
Oh, madam, what is the meaning of this now? What is going on now? People should explain to somebody. What is it?
I say move.
Just arrest me like this now. What is happening?
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Super Mike from State Headquarters.
Super Mike?
Yes.
Can you please identify yourself properly?
Sure. That's it?
Okay. So how may I help you?
Where is your daughter, Gladys? That's why I'm here.
Gladys?
Yes.
Gladys left here at about 6 p.m. with my granddaughter, Ogechi. Now please, if by any means you see her, find her anywhere, please return my granddaughter to me. Please.
I need her photograph.
Her photograph?
Yeah, Gladys, your daughter. I need her photograph. That's why I'm here.
I'll get that for you.
Sure.
But hold on. What happened? Did she commit any crime? Why is the police after her? Why did she have to run away like that? In fact, with her tail between her legs. So terrified.
Your daughter orchestrated the assault and battery of one Mr. Frederick.
Assault and battery? I don't understand.
Gladys, your daughter, falsely accused the said Frederick of stealing. Yes, I nearly got him and your wife lynched to death by an angry mob. Yes, that's a crime. serious
Why
crime.
would she do this to a fellow human? Hi, Gladys.
Ask me.
Officer, please, you have to find her. You have to find her.
And that is exactly what we are doing. And that's why we need her photograph.
I'll get that for you.
Right.
Just hold on.
Go ahead.
Gladys. This is Gladys, and that's my granddaughter.
I see. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Please, if you happen to see her first,
Okay.
or happen to know where we can find her, give me a call.
I will.
Okay, please.
I will.
Check my number.
I will.
Check my number.
I will. Call you.
080
Okay.
332.
Okay.
Now, can you tell me the truth? Where is that baby?
Officer, I don't know any baby you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about. What baby?
An eyewitness testified that they saw you going out with a baby this afternoon. So where is that baby?
No, officer. The baby is my baby. I took my baby to my wife this afternoon.
Shut up! Why are you lying to me?
Officer, it's my baby.
It's your baby, right? Huh? I've been lenient to you and you don't want to tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Where is that baby?
Officer, I am telling you the truth. I am telling you the truth, nothing but the truth. The woman opposite my house saw me leaving the compound this morning.
Here you go again.
With my baby.
Huh? You are still lying to me. Is that not? No problem. After I've prepared the case file, by tomorrow I'll forward it to the court. And you are going to court. You will rot in jail. I promise you that. Second! Second! Come and take him to the cell.
Gladys, what have you done? What have you done? My child is sick. I can't even take her to the hospital because I don't want the police to catch me. For how long will I keep running? For how long? Collins, how many times did I call your name?
So this is apartment.
Yeah?
Yes, please.
There's nobody here, as it is. Who is there? Smart. Listen, madam. As it is now, all your neighbors are suspects on this matter, and they all need to be arrested and interrogated for us to get to the root of the matter, okay?
Officer, the thing is, you have to do what you need to do. At this point, I just want to go get my child, that's all. I'm exhausted.
The whole matter, they're all connected. Your child, your neighbors, and this whole case. Okay, so,
Madam, Don't worry, we'll set arrest. And after it, we'll get you resolved.
Of course, when they're interrogated and anyway, I don't want to talk about touch. When they're properly interrogated, the truth will come out. Let's go. You go to the apartment.
Officers, please, just wait here while I go in and change.
That's okay. By the way, that neighbor of yours, do you know where we can find him?
I already told you I don't know. You've asked that question severally, so please.
Be fast about it, please.
Officers, I think I found my son. Oh my God. Oh my God, I found my child.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, this is my son. This is my son. Oh, officers, he's not moving. Oh, he's not moving. Oh, he's not moving.
Hospital right away. Hospital right
Okay,
away.
sir.
Let's go. Move it.
Doctor, please save my child, please. Please, just help him. I don't want to lose my baby, please. Please.
What will happen to him?
Just help me. He hasn't eaten anything all day. Look how he's just lying there still.
Now, calm
Please
down.
help
We'll be
me.
fine. We'll be fine. Okay? Calm down. We'll be fine.
Please.
Okay? Calm down. You'll be fine.
Oh.
Come here.
You are under arrest. Move.
I don't do anything. I'm not police. I hear they leave. I don't do anything. Move it. Move it. I don't do anything. I don't do anything. Yeah, I don't do anything. Move it.
So how is he?
He's fine. His heartbeat is normal. The baby will be fine.
Okay. But when will he eat?
Just see me in my office.
Okay.
Yes, sir. The baby is fine.
Doctor just confirmed that the baby is fine.
Yes. Thank you for everything. Thank you for your prompt response and your selfless service. May our good Lord continue to bless you.
Thank you. We're doing our job. Just doing our job, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, and I think it's time you go freshen up and also take care of yourself. Your own health also matters.
Thank you.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Let's go. I'll keep in touch, eh?
Of course, thank you, sir.
Are you willing to talk to me now?
Officer, I not do anything. I not do harm.
I tell you Stop lying to me! Stop lying to me and tell me the truth! Where is that baby?
Officer. Truth, Papa, when they go heaven. Truth to God, officer. Oh, my Papa, and this one tell you say, let me meet him the baby. I just walk up past. I come here cry, I go there. Me, I not the baby.
Yes, sir. Never! Never! Shh. Nobody in this house. Never! Never! Shh. Never! Where they go now? Never!
Officer. Truth to God. And the truth I dey tell you be that. I don't know wetin carry me enter that house. As I just dey waka dey pass, I hear pikin cry. As I enter the place, I sight the CD. Yes, I see that her phone. But I can't reason and say if I collect this phone, if use am trace me, find where I dey, come know say na me thief the phone. As I leave and waka go up, na only her jewelry and watch na im be wetin I thief comot for that house. Officer, for that pikin, I no see am. I no thief am. I no fit thief pikin. I no know anything about am. Na the watch and the jewelry na be wetin I collect comot for that house. I be innocent boy, I dey innocent. I'm very officer. I tell you, I see it happen. Truth to God. God will bear me witness. I beg you now. Hey.
Hello, sir. Oh, the baby I found.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You see, I said, being innocent boy.
Shut up your mouth. You are just lucky this time around.
Now my name they follow me now.
Say guys! Say guys! Come and return him.
But they don't find baby now. Officer, they don't find baby now. My guy, they go my house, officer. That place they smell. They go beat me again, officer. It too smell. That place too smell.
Yes, officer, I can hear you.
We have the second suspect. He confessed to stealing from your house.
Jesus. What did he steal?
Yes, he did mention some of the items he stole from the house. Can you come tomorrow and identify him?
You know what, officer? Fine, I've heard you. I was just about to go shower, then go to the hospital to see my son. Don't worry, like you said, I'll be there by morning to identify him.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you. God, these days no one can be trusted. Imagine my neighbors vandalizing my house in my absence. Hey, my kitchen, what did they take? Hello? Yeah, good day. How is my husband? How is he? Okay, I'll be there right away. Yeah, of course. Thank you. Hello? Matilda, where are you? You traveled? Oh my God. No, I needed you. It's okay. Sure. Thanks. What do I do? Oh, my baby. My baby. Hello, officer. What? Good day. Hello? I can't hear you. Hello? Hello, I'm driving. If you can hear me, I'm driving. Oh, battery's dead. Jeez.
Boys.
As well.
Yeah.
How far? Have we heard from Mrs. Alice?
No, not at all.
Anyway, we cannot continue to leave these people here. It's either she comes and consents for us to take them to court or we release them. Okay?
Yeah, I guess so, sir.
That is the situation. What about that Froster, the short one, that troublesome one?
Yeah.
His people, have they come?
No, but okay, his dad was here this morning, but I tried to reach you online, but your line wasn't connected.
Okay, is that a file?
No, his file is with Inspector Monday.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks, sir.
Mommy, why you want me for the police?
My love, I am not running away from the police, okay? I'll buy you ice cream, huh? Lollipop, everything you like, right? We'll go shopping, huh? Right? God, if not for this useless man, this useless Collins, I'll not be going through this. My love, are you okay?
Mommy, I want to go home.
You want to go home?
I'm sorry for all the pain I put you through.
It's not your fault.
What about my son? I heard something happened to him.
It's nothing. Well, he was sleeping when I left him to come check up on you.
What about Gladys? Has she been caught?
God will punish her. It will never be well with her. Oh.
Good morning, Mr. Frederick.
Hi, doctor.
You'll be discharged today.
Oh, thank you very much. I can't wait to go home.
Yeah, you definitely need rest that you won't be totally healed.
Okay, thank you very much.
I need to come back every Wednesday for your checkup.
I'll do that. Thank you.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome, madam. Please do take care of her.
Bye. You okay?
Oh, so. This who's my son at the hospital?
Well, I told the nurse to help me look after him while I checked on you. Just want to power my phone up, then call the nurse to know how he is faring.
Right.
I'll just give you something to drink.
I think your phone is ringing.
Hello? Who is this? Okay. I'll be there shortly. Thank you.
Who was that?
It was the truth is I got Ekene and Ken arrested when I couldn't find our baby. The IPO in charge of the case just called to know if we want to charge them to court or dismiss the case.
Listen, we need to discontinue that case, alright? I don't want it anymore. I'm no longer interested. Just let it go. We're grateful to God that we're alive, and that's what matters, so just let it go, okay?
Okay, if that's what you want.
Yeah, that's what I want. Just let it go.
Let me just continue to make you what you need to eat.
Madam, I did very sorry. I did so sorry, say, I can't take from you. Normally, that kind of act, I'm not supposed to do to person when they good like you and Oga. I'm not gonna wait enter me, will make me that day. As I enter your house, I can't thief your jewelry and your watch. I beg, madam, I did very sorry. I can't think I'm not gonna try them again with you. In fact, I'm not gonna do them again for my life.
Now you accept that you thief.
Well, it's okay. It wasn't even about the accessories. It was more fear for my son who was missing at that time. But thank God I found him and he's alive.
Yes, madam. That day, as I dey waka dey enter, I dey hear pikin voice. I come dey say, wetin dey happen? Why this pikin dey cry like this? Where Oga and madam dey? As I waka enter your house, I see pikin wey I go help. I no fit help am because na as man wey I be, I no know how to start from. Whether I carry am from leg, I be na from head, as I leave am, go up, go thief wetin no concern me. Na wetin no concern me, wetin I go carry because say I just want. Madam, I dey sorry. Forgive me. Forgive me. No vex, abeg.
Same here, madam. Please, okay? Forgive him, please. Alright? The officer here told me everything. You understand? I'm so sorry about it.
It's okay. Thank God my husband is alive. And officer, he says he wants the case closed.
Huh?
Yes.
So you don't need the case anymore?
No, not anymore. He says he doesn't want any case with them. And that, I should also apologize to you both for the inconveniences. But on behalf of my family and I, we are truly sorry.
Thank you. Thank you so much, madam.
Madam, thank you. God bless you, Oga. But no people are supposed to apologize to us. Now, us, especially me, we come thief from you. Me will be criminal from your house. Now me go tell you sorry, tell Oga sorry. And me supposed to apologize. Beg. Okay. Now for where I did the watch porn. Now when I come hear the news, say that kind of bad thing happened to good man like Oga. He pay me. He pay me. What's not what we do? I no come this now we do as thief. We did my blow. I will thief from you.
It's okay.
Sorry.
So, officer, I think we should just sign the paperwork and get them released, right?
Well, I will communicate with the IP and then they will do the necessary.
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
So sorry.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, officer.
You are under arrest for false accusation and attempted murder. Move it. I said move it. Move. Move. Open the boot.
What are you doing out here? The doctor said you should rest.
So the police called.
Okay.
They said Gladys has been apprehended.
Finally. Oh, thank God. So is she in police custody as we speak?
Yes. She's in police custody. We've been asked to come and identify her.
Oh, in that case, that's fine. I'll just go. You know what? Go in there and rest, okay? While I go to the station.
No. I have to go. I want to see Gladys. I want to ask her what I've done to her to be this cruel to me.
That's understandable. But I'm sure there should be a reason why she committed such a despicable act. You know what? Let me just get the baby's bag, feed him, and we'll all go together.
Sure.
Okay, I'll be right back. Yes, we'll just eat.